So I've had the pleasure of working with hundreds of cleaning companies at this point. And what I keep seeing time and time again through working with all these different cleaning companies is that there are four very distinct stages of growth when it comes to running your cleaning company. Now, for a lot of people, you're going to be in the first stage, which is surviving. You're going to be in a position where there's absolutely no documented systems or processes. You feel like you're winging it pretty much nonstop. After you get through that stage, you'll get to the stationary stage and you'll feel confident with the cleaning side of things. And you want to progress and push for growth, but you currently don't really have any strategies in place. Once you get through that stage, you'll get to the scalable stage, which is the really exciting stage. I mean, honestly, all these stages are pretty exciting, but the scalable one feels different because now you're really good at delivering the service. You're also pretty good at bringing in the clients, but you know you're lacking the back end of the business, right? The cleaning side's great, but you know you're lacking the systems, the processes, and everything else that's needed to get your cleaning company to the fourth stage of growth and what it is that you really want, which is sellable. To get to that stage where it's sellable is the most important thing. And listen, that doesn't mean you have to sell the business. Just because it's sellable doesn't mean you have to sell it. What it means is that you have removed yourself from the day to day. It means that you've created systems and processes and mapped everything out and it runs like a well-oiled machine